Welcome to my AI through AI YouTube channel and the Introduction to Deep Learning and PyTorch course. Today, we are going to discuss how deep learning and neural networks function. Can anyone tell me what makes up a neural network?
A neural network is made up of several processing units called neurons or nodes, which are organized into layers.
That's correct. These layers include an input layer, multiple hidden layers, and an output layer. Now, what happens first when data enters the network?
The input data is fed into the neurons of the input layer.
Exactly. And then?
The information moves through the hidden layers, where each layer processes the data and passes it to the next.
Great explanation. Each hidden layer refines the data before sending it forward. Now, let's discuss the step-by-step working of a neural network. First, what happens when data reaches a neuron?
Each input is assigned a weight before being passed to the neuron in the hidden layer.
Correct. Then, the neuron performs a calculation. What's the next step?
The neuron computes the weighted sum, which is the sum of the input values multiplied by their respective weights.
Yes. But there's one more component added to this sum before processing further. Do you know what it is?
The bias value of the neuron. It's added to the weighted sum.
Exactly. The bias helps the network make adjustments during learning. Now, what happens to this final sum before passing it to the next layer?
It goes through a function called the activation function.
That's absolutely right. The activation function introduces nonlinearity, helping the network learn complex patterns. Finally, the processed information reaches the output layer, where the final prediction or classification is made.
So, the neural network continuously adjusts weights and biases during training to improve accuracy, right?
Exactly. Training helps the network learn the best weights for making accurate predictions. Well done, both of you. That was a great discussion on how neural networks work. That wraps up today's video. I hope you now have a good understanding of how does deep learning work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, to stay updated with this series.